how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now you have to wait, and after you wait a few seconds, now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it like this, and then click on this force stop here, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and after that what you want to do next is go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 7 seconds and disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and also disable it and enable it like this. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.